Let me show you how to easily make an epic birthday video filled with video messages from friends and family. Usually this means weeks of chasing people and hours of downloading attachments from a chaotic group chat. But today, I'm showing you the zero friction method using VidDay. We're going to quickly crowdsource video messages and collect everything in one place. And if the birthday is tomorrow, you're fine. You will launch this project in under 5 minutes, share one link, and watch the messages pour in. It'll look like you planned it for weeks. Minimal effort, maximum glory. Let's build it. Step 1. Go to vidday.com and start for free. Select birthday as the occasion. You can also enter the number of years they're celebrating. Enter the recipient's name. This is for Ava Thompson, followed by entering the date you want this video to be ready by. And just like that, your event is set up. Now personalize the event with a photo of the recipient. This helps invitees see a familiar face. When it comes to the invitation, you can quickly personalize the default text description. But here is the pro tip that competitors miss: the video invite. Instead of typing instructions that Uncle Bob won't read, you record a quick clip right here. So customize your invitation just the way you want. Select your favorite banner and colors, add a video invite, add text, even provide message ideas with unique prompts. Everyone can record or RSVP quickly in the invite. And you can turn on features to collect gift funds or plant trees. It's all there, easy to set up, and beautifully presented. Next up, start sharing the invite. And VidDay's smart invite features makes inviting people really easy. It keeps track of who's submitted and automatically nudges anyone who hasn't. The invite can be shared in a few ways. Use your contacts with Address Book, Google, Outlook, Android. If it's a small group, use Single Send and invite people one at a time via email or by phone number. And if it's a big list, just upload a CSV and send everyone at once. They even give you a template. You can also use WhatsApp, Messenger, Slack, and more. Or just grab your invite link. It's your unique link you can paste anywhere. Drop it in a group chat. Invite as many people as you want. While you sleep, the birthday clips roll in. And contributors don't need to download an app. They click the link and upload. You get notified and all submissions are collected in one place. As the organizer, you see this dashboard. I call this Semantic Auto Assembly. You don't need to download files to your hard drive and re-upload them to an editor. They are already here, crowdsourced for you in one place. Just drag and drop to arrange the story. Start with a funny one, end with a tearjerker. You can easily click into any piece of media, preview it, and use the quick editing tools to trim, crop, and split clips. And it's quick to add effects and captions to photos. If you find a low-resolution photo, no worries, that's a quick fix. Just use their photo upscale feature for free to enhance a low-quality picture and see the difference for yourself. Then you can have fun adding your favorite animated GIFs and images from their stock library. And you don't need to be stuck behind a desk. Unlike other builders, VidDay gives you full editing power on mobile. Everything they can do on desktop, you can do on the go. Now, let's make it look expensive. You don't need to be a video editor. VidDay uses dynamic themes. You can pick from a variety of styles, like collage, watercolor, or rose gold. And it automatically wraps your photos and videos in professional graphics.
Hi, Mama. Happy birthday.
Now it's time to pair it with music. You can use VidDay's stock music library, or if your group has a special song, upload your own. The system handles the audio leveling, so Grandma isn't shouting over the acoustic guitar. Now let's see a preview of your masterpiece. Just tap Make a Preview anytime. It's free, it's unlimited, and it's the best way to see your vision come to life. When you're done, you can send it digitally with a gift wrap effect. It actually unwraps on their screen. So now you know. Making a group birthday video from friends and family has never been easier. VidDay offers a smooth and seamless experience, inviting and combining clips into one group video, and you end up with an unforgettable keepsake. And these group videos are known to make people cry tears of joy. So remember, make sure to have those tissues kicking around.